Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into KuCoin via US VPN safety tips easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into KuCoin using a US VPN, first, ensure you have a reliable VPN service installed on your device. Open your VPN application and connect to a server located in the United States. Once connected, launch your web browser. Navigate to the KuCoin website by entering the URL in the address bar. On the KuCoin homepage, find the Login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter the verification code sent to your device. After filling in your credentials and completing any additional verification, click the Login button again. If this is your first time logging in via VPN, you may receive a warning about your login location. Review the warning carefully and confirm that this login attempt is legitimate. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your VPN connection is active and set to a US server. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with KuCoin's interface. Remember to always disconnect from your VPN when you finish using KuCoin for added security. Stay updated with any changes in the KuCoin guidelines regarding VPN usage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.